Well, well, putting it in wasn't as hard as taking it out, I guess. Okay, now I'm just gonna have to route it. Okay, so I got the belt routed. Okay, so now we need a breaker bar on an M15 socket. Now I need to put it on that nut down there. Okay, now we'll try and so I put it over the air conditioning, and now I'm gonna go for that. Okay, let's see if that sits properly. Okay, make sure all the grooves are sitting properly, otherwise you're gonna screw the belt. Okay, and when it does, just let the tensioner off, and it's done. Okay, so now I'm just gonna go over and make sure that the belt sits properly before I start the car. Well, obviously the crankshaft is not sitting on the crankshaft. Now it's on the crankshaft. Now we need to put it on an AC. Okay. Now double check. Well, okay, seems like everything sits properly. Well, let's start the car. Well, the sound is definitely gone. Sounds beautiful. Now we're just gonna put all the pieces back. Okay, so this piece goes first, like this. Slide it over the fan. Then this piece goes okay. Okay, so make sure all the tabs are in, and then just slide. Okay, so we got all the little tabs in. So this installed. Now we need to make sure that there's an equal amount of space, left side, right side, top and bottom, with the fan shroud and the fan, so the fan wouldn't catch. And then when you set the distance, you just put the clips back. And the last thing, we just reinstall the hose. Just route it the way it was. Here you go, guys. Serpentine bell replacement on Mercedes W202 C280 1995. Have a good day.